All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Oh, looking for the white rabbit? Well, how about a crown?
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
It went this way. No, that way. Wait, a really important date. I'd like to say hello, goodbye, and later.
I'm not sure where I am either. Oh, by the way, he went this way.
We're painting the roses red. And many a tear we shed. Because we know they'll cease to grow. In fact, we'll soon be dead. Oh, and yet we go ahead. Painting the roses red.
Her Royal Majesty, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42, the Queen will always win.
Goodness!